Hi guys, sweet snow fungi soup is one of the best traditional perspection in ancient time. Today I want to teach you how to make sweet snow fungi soup. The first step, I need to prepare snow fungi, pears, and long sugar. Pear is better for cold, and snow fungi is better for long. The second step, I need to boil the snow fungi and make it like porridge. Then I need to cut pear into small pieces and put them into the wok. Attention! The only one tip in this cushion is keeping patience while using low fire. It will take at least 3 hours. Just remember, keeping patience in your cushion. Now, my sweet snow fungi soup is ready.